You said never let me go. You said never let me go.
So this big, and we are at the Walmart food store getting some chicken legs, because we about to go crabbing down in oh, hold on, I can't, let me see, hold on. Oh God, sorry, I had to make a quick wardrobe change, because if you come to the parish, Chalmette, Violet, Miru, Delacroix, you gotta wear your hat on backwards for some reason. It's a thing. I don't have none of them white rubber boots. You know, them boys in Chalmette like them Chalmette Reeboks. We ain't got none of them. But Liz is in there getting some chicken legs, or maybe some chicken necks, or some pieces of chicken, so we can go catch some crabs. So we'll see y'all at the water. All right, so we made it down to the parish in Chalmette. And, well, we're actually in Delacroix Island, which is, I don't know, about 20 miles south of Chalmette. And we're going to do some little old school crabbing, just a hand line and a dip net. So let me show y'all what we're working with. So we just got an old dip net. See that line when it straightens out like that? That means old Mr. Crab's hanging on for dear life. Let me show y'all how we get them. Go ahead and pull the string in. All right. So these are the guys we're after, not them little ones. This is a big Louisiana blue crab. I'm gonna tell you right now, Maryland ain't got nothing on what we working with around here. This was 10 seconds, and look, the line's out straight here. I don't even know where the line went over here. And the other one's probably straight out too. We're gonna get back to catching us some crabs with a little chicken neck, chicken leg, and a dip net. It's the easiest way. Look at it, look. He's trying to get it. They all seem to be little ones. We get, for every one good one we get 10 little ones. Oh, this is a big one.
You got 3. Any of those? No, they're all
Not
babies.
really. I mean, look, they might not be gigantic, but we crabbing, you understand? This is beats sitting inside and watching Netflix or anything else. See, I can't turn my hat back the right way because when you're in the parish, you can't wear your hat any other way but backwards. It's like a law. I don't understand it. But let me show y'all where we just sitting out enjoying the day. Now this is what they call a wing net boat. It's got big wing nets that go out to the side. It's not a deep water trawl. It's a wing net boat. And it looks like the seagulls are enjoying a free meal. Y'all want to know where most of the seafood comes from in America? Here's where it comes from, right here. Hard-working Chalmatians.
Are we dealing with this heat? Whew.
Yep. Y'all appreciate them shrimp y'all eating when it's 112 degrees out here, all right? See the seagulls? They know what's up.
It's a hard day.
So in my previous video was a little cooking demonstration on a buddy of mine's recipe, sweet heat for your meat. And out of, I think, the 20 pounds of chicken that I cooked at the camp last weekend, we had one chicken leg left. And you know what we're gonna do? We're about to put it on some string and see if the crabs like the sweet heat for your meat. I don't know. We're gonna find out in a minute though. Let's go. So, the last soldier of the sweet heat for your meat, because, you know, we wasn't giving that shit up.
Upside down.
That was really good seasoning. I might eat this piece of chicken. I ain't worried about them crabs. But we're gonna see if this right here will catch a crab, because it sure caught us. Sweet heat for your meat, shout out.
I am now.
So let's see if the old sweet heat for your meat can do the trick. I don't know. I don't know if cooked chicken or any cooked chicken will catch a crab. We about to find out though. Let's let it percolate for a minute and see what happens.
I can't even see it.
Liz got it.
Water is so shallow.
All right, let's go to the next one. So we've been letting the sweet heat for your meat percolate for a little while. And let's see if the crabs like the sweet heat. It looks like there ain't nothing on there. I don't think they got nothing on there.
There's something. It had one.
Two, huh?
No, the other one's in
Oh yeah, that's one. He ain't bad. Look like we got sweet heat for the meat for the win on this crabs.
All right, let's try the next one. This is the plain, everyday chicken. One for one.
So what you think about that?
I don't know, but I think we need to replace our
Damn.
chicken leg.
They buffeting down here.
Yeah, we're having a party. All right, we're gonna go repurpose this so we don't keep catching them.
Right? So no Cam today. It's just me and Mama, and we decided to come swing out here and catch a few crabs. So I started thinking, why are we not catching any big crabs? I think I know the answer to that. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Let me go to the truck. All right, so now I'm in full Chalmette mode. All I need is a Camaro, bro, and we'll be straight. So we should be catching some bigger crabs now that they think I'm a parish resident. Let's see what they got on the lines.
Hit it. It fell off. Can you see it on the pole?
He might stay.
Shit.
Mama is about to wear the little wharf out. The crabs are so thick. I just wish they was a little bit, I don't know, how you say, bigger. They little. Every once in a while you catch one good one. So we're gonna stay out here for a little while long. I mean, look, if you were just sitting out here doing nothing, it beats almost anything, really. So we're about to show y'all a little bit more crab in action. And well, they got some big gars rolling in the canal. I done seen some speckled trout hitting shrimp on top water. I wish I'd have brought a pole with me. I got one in the truck, but I don't think I didn't bring no hooks. All my hooks is at the Ponderosa. Well, uh-oh. Let's go see what Mama's doing. Some old boy's been fishing that point all morning and steadily catching something. I'm just too far away to see what it is they getting, but they getting them. They're gonna eat good tonight too.
Look at my string.
Uh-oh. Tight line. You know what that means. Mama's about to go get some. Can she do it?
Probably not.
Can she do it? Uh-oh. She got something in there. Two of them. Look like one.
No, one is baby. Come on.
Still beats the hell out of being in the house, I can tell you that.
Oh, you son of a bitch.
I saw him.
I know, I did too. All right.
Well, the crabs definitely like the sweet heat for your meat. No doubt about that. Y'all check out Sweet Heat for Your Meat on Facebook. Well, hopefully I can put a link to their channel on this video. See y'all in a little bit. Well, now we're trying spot number 2, because spot number 1 is like a public fishing pier, and maybe they didn't caught all the big ones. I don't know. All we was catching was little dinks like that. So we came out with this old bridge, and we're gonna throw a couple lines and see if our luck won't change. If not, you know, they sell them at the store, so whatever. See y'all in a little bit. Oh, well, already spot number 2 is producing much larger crabs. Let's check this one out I just caught. Ooh, well, he's mad too. So I said bonjour. Well, it looks like we got about a dozen, maybe a dozen and a half. That ain't bad. So that ain't too bad, spending some time out in the Louisiana marsh for a couple hours catching some dinner. Y'all can't do that in most states. Most states y'all can't come out and catch dinner if you had to, but we do. We're about to get in that old avalanche right there and head to the house. We'll see y'all on the other side. Peace. This is the end of our little journey to Delacroix Island. I hope y'all liked it. We did. We had a good time. Spent the day together. That's what it's really about, isn't it? We're going to see y'all on the next video. Peace out. Hopefully we'll bring the kids with us next time.